Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Siti Yani. I am 30 years old. I come from Cirebon, West Java of Indonesia. I am married. I am Muslim. I have two children. Number one 9 years old girl. Number two 2 years old girl. My last education is junior high school. I have experience work in Indonesia 3 years, from 2018 until 2021. My job take children general, housework and cooking. I am afraid of dog. I can handle pork but I cannot eat pork. I can cook Indonesian food, for example, porridge, chicken soup, fried chicken, fried fish, steamed egg. I willing to learn to speak English. I want to work in Singapore because I need more money for my family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you, Singapore.